Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Let's learn how to play Three Little Birds. We will need chord A, D, and E. For the strumming pattern, I'm doing down, 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 down. You can make that second down strum hit more strings than the first one. You'll have more volume on beats 2 and 4. Okay, let's try to do a little wiggle. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 down. There we go. Don't worry about a thing. Switch here, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Keep breathing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay, relax the hand, massage those fingertips, and check your body right now. See if you're curling over the guitar or if you have it facing you. The song is Don't Worry About a Thing. So let's relax. We just played the chorus and that part repeats throughout the song. So now let's learn the verse. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds fly by doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies beautiful, singing, this is my message to you. Let's stop there a little bit, but that's the verse. So we're gonna go from A, switch to E chord, back to A chord, D now, good, A chord, keep breathing, E, now pause, stop. Okay, if you want to do something really kind of fun and a little dramatic, because who doesn't like a little drama in their lives, then you can do a down strum on D. This is my message to you. And then a down strum on A. So let me show you what it would sound like in context if we added that little bit of drama. So, singing sweet songs, the melodies pure too. Singing, this is my message to you. Then you would start it up again. Singing, don't worry. And go back to the chorus. Okay, let's take a few breaths in. Out through the nose. Again, in. Out through the nose. One last one. And out. That feels different. Okay, so let's do a playthrough of intro, chorus, and verse, and you'll be able to play the whole song. So go to an A chord. Here we go. 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. Down. Throughout the song, okay? Singing, don't worry. This way the switches won't surprise you. Not a thing. you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you in a future video. Ciao.